How to fix Honor 200 which keeps overheating. So to fix this overheating issue, first of all turn off unused features. So to do this, swipe down and open quick settings panel, and from here if you have enabled too many features and you are not using all, then turn off all the features. So for example, if you are using Wi-Fi and you have also enabled mobile data, then tap on this mobile data button to turn it off. And if you're not using Honor Share, then turn off this feature. And if you're not using hotspot, then turn off hotspot. And if you're not using Bluetooth, tap on this Bluetooth icon to turn it off. And from here you can check other options as well. So turn off NFC, location, and after turning off all these features, it will help you to fix the overheating issue. Now after turning off these features, if you are still facing the overheating issue, then open settings. Now in settings, scroll down to the end and tap on system and updates, and then tap on software update. Now from here, check if your phone is updated to the latest version of software or not. So if it's not updated, then tap on download and install to update the software to the latest version. Now after updating the software to the latest version, the overheating issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the Honor 200 which keeps overheating. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.